Welcome, Stays. In today's video, I'm decorating the cutest cookies ever, SKZOO style. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. So today I'm decorating the fox in this adorable SKZOO set. So grab your royal icing and your cookies and let's get to decorating. And I'll admit to not knowing too much about Stray Kids. Gasp, I know. But I'm going to start out by outlining and flooding his nose with a 15-second royal icing in white. I'll use my scribe to settle the icing down and shape it if I need to. And then I'm going to immediately grab my tan icing and go ahead and outline and flood in the rest of his face. I'm making these cookies for a friend of mine who is a huge Stray Kids fan, and she actually has a YouTube channel and a Patreon membership, and I'll leave links for that in the description. The YouTube channel is called Life of Morgan, and be sure to check that out for everything Stray Kids. So back to sugar cookie decorating. By combining the two icings and piping them right next to each other while they're wet, they'll blend together and form one solid surface when they dry, with no line of separation between the two colors, and this is called a wet on wet effect. And because my icing is about a 15-second consistency, I can go right up to the edge without worrying that it's going to overflow. And then I'll just use my scribe to further settle the icing down, and then I'm going to set this aside to dry completely. And once it's dry, I'm going to come back in with an edible marker and my projector. I'm just going to project his face down on the cookie and draw in the details with my edible marker. And once I have the basics down, I'll turn off my projector and go over it again just to make it a little bit darker and more even. And then I'll go ahead and pipe in his nose so that we have some dimension. And then this adorable cookie is done. These cookies are simple and perfect for beginners to learn with, and they're a lot of fun. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss a single character in the SKZOO series, and let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. See you later!